Welcome to Signum Solutions, your trusted ERP partner for Liverpool and Merseyside. For over a decade, we've been supporting businesses across Liverpool and Merseyside, helping them streamline operations with SAP Business One, a powerful ERP system designed specifically for SMEs. Whether you're a local manufacturer or a wholesale distributor, we tailor SAP Business One to meet the unique needs of your business. Our solutions empower you to boost efficiency, save time, and drive growth by automating processes, providing real-time insights, and improving decision-making. As your local ERP partner, we offer a personalised service. From the initial consultation to post-implementation support, we're with you every step of the way. Our rapid response times and ongoing maintenance ensure your business always operates at peak performance. Choosing Signum Solutions means more than just implementing software. It means partnering with a team that's committed to your long-term success. We understand the challenges local businesses face and offer hands-on support to ensure your ERP solution evolves with your needs. Let's grow your business together.